Hey everybody, let's take a look at BNB here. Now, as you know, today we had horrible numbers from CPI. Um, but BNB has actually stayed strong pretty much all day. You didn't see that much of a drop. Now, okay, you did get a wick when CPI came out down to about 575, but it had a very strong push up, and it is now continuing to the upside. And you know, I believe this is probably because people know that a launch pad is coming, a launch pool. Um, there's just so many launch pool projects on the way, probably that I just don't see BNB going down that much. So if we look at this on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, I'm surprised we even made it down to $500 back on the 19th of March. But really, I believe that's probably the lowest we're going to see for a long time. Um, if we look at this on the daily time frame, this is looking actually pretty good. If we draw like this, actually, let's put it on the wick. Let's just put it on the wick to be safe. Now, yeah, we are coming up to resistance. Now, here, let me move this a little bit. Let me draw another line from down here. And yeah, guys, we're coming to a decision basically in the next, well, by about the 23rd of April. Today is the 10th of April, and within the next, couple of weeks, we're going to see a decision. And right now, if we can close this candle above about, let's just say 607, we're probably going to see some serious upside. You know, I don't know actually where to start the flagpole, to be honest, for BNB. Technically, we could probably start it down here at $300 all the way up here. But to be conservative, I think the best place to draw a flagpole is when we see the first large candle here. And I'll just take it to the top of this candle right there. Now, if we have a breakout today, let's move this and see what the technical target is. Now, most technical analysis, people, they put the flagpole down at the bottom. I don't know why they don't put it at the breakout point, but okay, we'll just put it there. And guys, we're looking at about an $800 BNB, in the near term here. And if we get a launch pool this week, like, we only have 4 dead days on average between each launch pool. I do think we're going to start propelling up to this $800. Now, of course, there is a Fibonacci level here to break through around $700. So that will probably be resistance. You may see, a few days bouncing around this line. But yeah, $800 is the target, guys. BNB, this is my largest holding. I can say I trust that BNB is going to probably $1,500 to $2,000 this cycle. And, I accumulate every day a little bit of BNB if I can. I'm not trading any of my BNB. It's kind of like Bitcoin for a lot of people. This is what I call the poor man's Bitcoin, BNB. I do encourage everybody, if you want to buy crypto, to buy some BNB and hold it in Binance. I mean, honestly, guys, I have made over $900 since December, just because I stake BNB. So if that's not incentive enough, okay, I have 13 BNB total. Now my wife has 0.6 of that. So I have about 12 and a half BNB myself. But I know it's a lot of money for a lot of people. Now I bought most of this when it was, my average price is $270 or $80. So that gives you some, idea. But I know it's hard for people to accumulate 12 or 13 BNB at the price it is now. But hey, if you, get free money in the launch pool, you can always roll it back into BNB and multiply your earnings each time. So anyways, guys, BNB has actually looked good all day. I don't know if it's been minus all day at any point today. So really, it's been the strongest, coin that I have been following. Actually, well, BeamX right now is the strongest coin that I can see. It's 5.8% up, whereas BNB right now is 5.25. But yeah, I mean, 15 or 30 minutes ago, BNB was the strongest, and it looks like it just wants to break through this resistance. So anyways, guys, Bitcoin at the moment, we can take a look real quick, but Bitcoin, it did react really negatively to the CPI numbers, but on the daily time frame now, we are seeing a bullish hammer candle. So guys, yeah, I mean, I don't know why Bitcoin isn't reacting more negatively, but as you can see, it almost touched this trend line. Now, as I've said before, these trend lines, this is probably not 100% accurate. I maybe even could move this up slightly, to kind of go with the bottom of this candle and the wick here, and it might touch this. But I think that's as low as we're going to go. I think we're going to follow this trend line. Now, we may see a pullback with Bitcoin when it comes to the halving in about 9 days. But I don't think that will be very severe if we have a pullback at all. A lot of people think that the halving is priced in. Of course, probably it is priced in. And they think, Wall Street has already priced it in. They may have, but I don't think they realize how hard it's going to be to buy Bitcoin after this. Wall Street is new to this. They have a lot of smart people, but I just don't think they're prepared as much as they think they are. Anyways, guys, it looks like Bitcoin is trying to break through this trend line up here. As I've drawn this line, I don't know, yesterday or something, I believe, if I remember, or maybe even this morning. I'm not sure. I made one quick video this morning about Bitcoin. Anyways, it doesn't really matter when I drew it, but now it's touching this line, and if it breaks through, I do believe we can see about 71.3, but that's the point where we have to break through, guys. So anyways, if you like this video, like and subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So good luck.